Hi guys, myself Ismail Amas. So I'm going to discuss about topic about the preventing ethics. As an engineering ethics, I have certain several measures about the society. So in here, we are facing a lot of problems like flood and pollution. So in this case, building in a flood prone area and building metro in a polluted area causes enormous problems. As an engineer, we have to discuss about this topic before planning the execution of the certain landmarks. So our role is to make an ethics towards the society by not creating and maintaining the idea of these things, which means that we have an incident about Wayanad flood. They use numerous buildings in the flood prone areas, and this can be avoided. And we know the green city, which is Kochi. So they are creating the water metro as well as Cochin metro in a polluted area. So it is our virtue of an engineer to avoid this for making ethics in society and the sustainable development of the society. Thank you.